How to fix Grindr registration error. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the registration error on Grindr app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, sometimes when you're signing up or creating an account on Grindr, it gives you the registration error. This happens due to multiple reasons. One is if your network is unstable, and then other is if the existing account with that email address is already existed. So what you want to do is tap on the sign up option from the top right. Then agree to the terms and conditions. So just tap on accept, tap on next, tap on accept again. Then it will ask you to choose your birthday. So make sure to enter a birthday of at least 16 years of age or maybe over 18 years, because if you enter an underage account, you'll not be able to finish signing up the account. So just go ahead and enter your date as well as your month, then your birth year as well. Then tap on the next option. The next step is to simply choose an email address for yourself. So over here, just enter your email address and then confirm with the password that you want to create. Now, once you enter the email address and password, if an existing account with this email already exists, when you tap on the create account option, it'll ask you to first of all verify. So let me also go ahead and then do that respectively as well. Once you verify it, make sure that the captchas are correct, and once you've done that, you want to make sure that it says that an account already exists. So you want to simply try to retry it, and after you've done that, you'll be able to successfully enter the new email address and then finish signing up your account. And I hope this video helped you solve your problem as to how you can fix the registration error on Grindr. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.